Hola, I am Clim and this is my Holdframe workshop. Developing a voice and creating personal projects has been a huge part of my career. It's the one opportunity you have to really take ownership of the work that you are making, and more importantly, why you are making it. With that being said, there's nothing harder than starting from a blank page. I know that struggle all too well and experienced it on my latest film, It's About Time. In this workshop, we'll discuss my history and love for creating personal projects, the process I use for research and concepting, how to take an idea from development into production, the software and animation techniques used in It's About Time, and finally, what it's like to launch a film and what steps you need to take to ensure it's successful. I hope you enjoy!